Hey guys, it's Annie and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing 3 eye looks and I'm going to be using the new Urban Decay Stoned Vibes palette. I want to make sure I said the right name. Can we just have a moment with this palette, please? Oh my gosh, I love the packaging on this. So, not sponsored, but Urban Decay sent this to me. Can you even believe it? I can't. And that's all because of you guys for supporting my channel. So thank you so much. So I'm going to do 3 looks. I'm going to fast forward some of it because I'm doing 3 looks, girl. Okay, that would be a really long ass video. I'm also going to be, besides this, they sent me their primer, their eye primer. And I don't know, is this one the original? Yes, this is the original. So I used to use the primer. I'm trying to think which one. I feel like I used to use the anti-aging one and I did like that one, but I stopped using it because my eyes were getting dried and I don't know why that was happening, but I stopped using it. So now I use Trish McAvoy, but I will use this today. I have all my other makeup on. I will fix my hair. I know I look pretty. Oh girl, I look great. I look like a character. I'm going to go ahead and do this. Like I said, I'm going to do 3 looks. And I'm not going to do swatches because I don't do swatches. If you want to see swatches, you can watch another video. I am going to zoom you in a second so you can see the shadows. And I'm also going to zoom you guys in so you can see my looks. And I'm going to try my best not to mess my makeup up. Did I say mess my makeup up? These videos are really hard to do because I try to do them all in one day. I don't know if some people do them separate days, but I don't do it that way. I do it all in one day. So then I have to take everything off. Not everything, but my eye makeup, try not to mess it up. Oh, something else I'm going to share at the end of this video. I'm not even going to show you it, but I just tested a new mascara. And I'm going to give you my thoughts because, yeah, we'll just save that for the end of the video that I have a little mini review on a mascara I just tried. Again, this is what the outside looks like. This is the inside. Really nice and weighted. It's plastic, of course, and has a nice mirror here. And then look at these colors. They are gorgeous. Now, I'm going to share something with you guys about this palette, and then you get this little brush here, which I don't mind the brush, you know, for travel or whatever. It's not terrible. I'll leave it out in case I want to use it. Now this palette is mostly shimmers with a little bit of glitter in it, okay? So I feel like a palette like this, I'm gonna create 3 looks, but I personally, gonna be honest, I don't think you're gonna get a lot of looks out of this. I think this would be a nice companion palette. Now, I shared this with you guys before that I kind of fell out of Urban Decay for a while. I stopped using it because I just didn't think the quality was there. But then I bought this Honey palette, and I believe I bought this before Christmas. And I love this palette. I love this palette. I love the packaging. I love the shadows. Gorgeous. So you could, this is like a neutral, warm palette. You know what I mean? So, I mean, you could use something like that with some of these colors in here. All right. So what I'm saying is I really feel like this is going to be a nice companion one. I don't know that you're going to get a ton of looks with it. Most of these are shimmers. So you've got 2 mattes here and 2 mattes there. The rest of them in between, all shimmers. So that's what the colors look like. Really, really pretty colors. Fun colors. I am going to use a little bit of this glitter glue. This is from Too Faced. I'm just going to put it right on top of that shadow. The reason that I use that lighter shadow, by the way, is because I want this next color to pop. I want to have like a good base, you know? I think that light color is a good base for any other shadows that are on here, you know, like the glitter shadows, the shimmer shadows. I'm just tapping this on with my finger. Just let it dry. I'm going to take my Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Barbarella Brown, and I'm going to go right here really lightly on under both eyes. Smudge that, rub that in there, rub that in there. That purple color. Use that purple color. Do this on my waterline. Lash Freak, Urban Decay. The last look that I want to do is I want to do a neutral look. Let me put a little bit, I'm going to put a little bit of my my finishing powder on my eyes first before I do this, because I put the eye primer, I use my Trisha McAvoy, I like that one better. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use this shadow first. Go in and I'm going to use, I think I'm going to use this one right here. Let me use that, but you know what? Let's brighten it up a little bit first. I'm going to apply this And then I'm going to go in with this color right here. I've used a lot of these colors in this palette right now. So I'm going with the lighter shade first. And then I'm going to take my glitter glue. I feel like you need to use some glitter glue with these shadows. I really, really do. You just tap a little bit on. Look how pretty that is. Bam, it's got like some gold in there, but then it looks like it's got some pink, you know? These shadows, I'm going to tell you what they remind me of. I'm going to be real with you. They kind of remind me of my Huda palette. So, am I going to be wearing colors like this all the time? Probably not. Put a little bit of liner here. This is my Barbarella Brown again. Just going right on my lower lash really lightly. Then I'm going to take my smudge. I'll use a smudge brush. This is the one from Rougher. And just blend that. If I get a little crazy, I'll take my concealer brush and just make sure it's blended good. That's the last look. What do you think? Can you see that? So let me look at it close up. So this one looks like it has more shimmer in it than glitter. I feel like I have some fallout here, so let me just get some of that. So let's sit back and talk about this. So let me give you my thoughts on this palette. So first off, it's just not my favorite primer, but thank you for sending it to me. You know I'm going to be passing this off to my daughter. It's just not my favorite. I really like the Shush McAvoy. I used to use this. I know some of you guys love this one, and that's awesome. You know, I think primer, just like anything, is just a personal thing, not a private thing. A personal thing. So the Stone palette, love the packaging on it. Love the packaging. Colors are gorgeous. It's not something I'm going to pull out every day. Just going to be honest, I'm not. This is just like a fun palette. This is a fun one that, for me, some people might use this every single day, and that's great, girl. You do you. But for me, I'm not going to use it every day. For me, this is something that I would use with another palette. This is one that I might do a whole neutral look or a purpley look, and I might, pop one of those shimmery shadows. Some of them have a little bit of glitter in it, but I feel like the more I feel like there's more glitter on top of it. And then as you're working into it, it's less. Now I have not gotten into, I think there's 4 shadows I didn't try, but I've tried all the other shadows. Really, really beautiful. So again, would recommend it if you're into glitters and shimmers. If you're not into it, then I would say I would pass. But if it's something that interests you, this kind of thing, and you think that it would look good with something else that you have and you just like to do fun stuff, then go for it, girl. You're not going to be disappointed in it. If that's your thing, I think you'll really enjoy it. That's my view on it. Really, really pretty. Thank you so much, Urban Decay, for gifting that to me. Thank you so much. Really, really appreciate it. It's nice when a bigger company like that reaches out to smaller channels, because I'm still not a big channel, you guys. I'm really not. And there's not a lot of companies that send me stuff. So many of you guys want me to try different things, and I only get what I am interested in. So that's what I share on my channel. But if companies wanted to send me stuff, I would share more stuff on my channel. I can only afford to get so many things, and whenever I purchase something, it's something I'm interested in. So really quickly, I'm going to show this to you. So I love Charlotte Tilbury. There's a lot of things that I love from Charlotte Tilbury. So I was really, really excited to try this. First off, I love the packaging on it because pink is my color. I love it. Love it. It's very weighted, nice. Mascara, I'm going to have to keep trying, but so far it's a no for me. I used it yesterday. I ended up getting transfer with this. Got transfer from it, and my lashes didn't get pushed up. They actually went down, and it just doesn't seem like there's enough of the mascara that gets on the wand. I just felt like I had to keep applying it, applying it, applying it. So it's kind of the opposite of the Urban Decay. This one, you have to wipe some of it off because it can get clumpy on you, but I love this mascara. I don't feel like you can still see my lashes, right? I don't feel like this makes my lashes fall like most regular mascaras. And you do have to get used to the way you put it on, otherwise it can look clumpy. It probably looks a little clumpy on me today too because I had to keep on putting it on because I was taking my eyeshadow off, but I love this. I really, really do. You guys know I keep it real on here. This one, so far it's a no. I'll keep using it. I will update you guys, but so far I just don't like this one at all. Like I said, this one doesn't transfer on me. This one doesn't flake on me. This one doesn't make my lashes go straight. This one's supposed to push your lashes up. It made my lashes go straight and it transferred on me. So I'm disappointed in it. Here's the thing though, and I'm going to be fair about it with this. My lashes are little biatches, okay? They're very temperamental biatches. And it depends on the mascara. So many times you guys recommend mascaras, but they may work for you, but my lashes are very temperamental. And if I use the wrong one, I'll have curled lashes and then they'll just go like that. And when they do that, it looks like I don't have any lashes because I have very thin, fine, and blonde lashes. You see them when I don't have anything on, you know what they look like. So anyways, I just wanted to share that really quick. Don't like it, wouldn't recommend it. If you are using it and you love it, let me know. Leave it in the comments because just because something doesn't work for me doesn't mean it may not work for you. I always say that all the time. So thank you guys so much for joining me. Really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure that you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. I share new videos every single week. Follow me on TikTok, girl. I am having so much fun on TikTok. It's just like a fun little thing to do. And we just get to hang out and dance or whatever. So just, I would love you to join me on TikTok. You can follow me on Instagram, and I will catch you guys all in my next video. Bye. Right here looking like poopy doopies. I hope not. And I'm out of batteries. Oh, great. I'm going to focus on me. I feel like I look like that girl on YouTube, but I can't think of her name. She has that weird personality. Do you know what I mean? She just talks like weird. She has the red lipstick on. I feel like her. I feel like Colleen. Because most of them are shadows. Most of them are shadows. Really? Boy, you're a freaking genius. I'm looking hot. I am looking hot.